Most people own 20 different funds. They read every article, watch every video, follow every guru, and after years of doing all of that, they're still confused, still stressed, and still not building real wealth. I used to be one of those people. Then I discovered something that changed everything. You don't need 20 funds. You don't need a financial advisor charging you 1% a year. You don't need to spend hours analyzing stocks. You need 3 ETFs. Just 3. And today, I'm going to show you exactly which ones, and why this simple strategy quietly outperforms almost every complicated approach out there. Let's start with the most important question: what is an ETF? An ETF, exchange-traded fund, is basically a basket of stocks that you buy as one single investment. Instead of picking one company and hoping it succeeds, you own a tiny piece of hundreds, sometimes thousands, of companies all at once. It's simple, it's diversified, and historically, it beats over 90% of professional fund managers over the long term. Warren Buffett himself, the greatest investor of all time, told his own wife that when he dies, he wants 90% of their money put into one simple index fund. Not stocks, not hedge funds, one index fund. That's the power of what I'm about to show you. ETF number 1. The Foundation. This is VU, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Or if you use Fidelity, FXAIX. Same idea, different name. This fund tracks the S&P 500, the 500 largest companies in America. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Johnson & Johnson, all of them, in one investment. Since 1957, the S&P 500 has returned an average of about 10% per year. That means if you put $10 in and never touched it, in 30 years you'd have over $174, without doing anything. This is your foundation. This is the engine. Every single dollar cost averaging. Every monthly contribution. This is where it starts. If you only ever buy one investment in your life, make it this one. ETF number 2. The Growth Engine. This is VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. While the S&P 500 focuses on the top 500 companies, VTI gives you the entire U.S. stock market, over 3.500 companies. That includes mid-size and small companies that are still growing fast. Why does this matter? Because some of the biggest winners of the last 20 years started as small companies that weren't in the S&P 500 yet. By owning VTI, you capture those wins before they get too big. Think of VU as the heavy anchor, stable and reliable. VTI is the growth layer on top. It gives you exposure to the next generation of American business. Together, VU and VTI form the core of one of the most proven wealth building strategies in history. ETF number 3. The Income Machine. This is SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. Here's where passive income becomes real. SCHD holds about 100 of the strongest dividend-paying companies in America. These are companies with track records of paying, and growing, their dividends year after year. Companies like Coca-Cola, Home Depot, Chevron, and Verizon. Every quarter, these companies send you money. Just for owning shares. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to show up. You don't have to work. They just pay you. SCHD currently yields around 3 to 4% annually. And here's the beautiful part, that yield grows over time. As companies raise their dividends, your income goes up automatically. This is what people mean when they say money works for them while they sleep. This is it, right here. Now let me show you how these 3 ETFs work together. Imagine you invest $500 a month. $250 goes into VU for long-term growth. $150 goes into VTI for broader market exposure. And $100 goes into SCHD for dividend income. You do this consistently, every month, rain or shine, market up or market down. In 10 years, based on historical averages, you'd have approximately $100. In 20 years, over $370. In 30 years, over $1 million. From $500 a month. Invested in 3 funds, with 0 stock picking, 0 market timing, 0 stress. And as your SCHD dividends grow, you'll start receiving hundreds, then eventually thousands, of dollars per quarter. Just from doing nothing. This is the strategy. Simple, proven, available to anyone starting today. Before I wrap up, I want to say something important. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for the perfect moment to start. They wait until they have more money. They wait until the market looks better. They wait until they fully understand everything. But here's the truth, the market rewards action, not perfection. Every month you wait is a month of compound interest you never get back. That's not me trying to scare you. That's just math, and the math is always working, either for you or against you. You now know the 3 ETFs. VU for the foundation, VTI for the growth engine, SCHD for the income machine. The only thing left is to start. Open your brokerage account today. Buy your first share, even if it's just one. And let time do what time does best. If this gave you clarity, subscribe, because every single week, we go deeper, more strategies, more tools, more steps toward the life you're building. I'll see you in the next one.